Hello everyone, good morning. Let me introduce myself. My name is Riswansyah Imawan, and you can call me Riswan. I want to tell you about my final project's topic, namely mathematical models for fluid flow in open channel. This research is advised by Mrs. Dr. Ika Magdalena, SSE and MSE. First of all, what is my motivation to do this research? We know that Indonesia has so many rivers. There are so much benefit if we utilize these rivers. The examples for utilizing it is built for hydropower, built irrigation, and etc. We can also make flood mitigation in riverside area if we know that the tendency of the river during rainy season. But we have to modify the river first to utilize it. But before that, we also have to know the behavior of the fluid flow or the river flow to do the modification. Because of that, the big purpose of this research is to know the behavior of the fluid flow in the rivers. Before that, there is two objectives in this research. The first objective is to formulate the mathematical model that represents the fluid flow behavior in an open channel with the regular cross-sections quite well. The example of regular cross-section is rectangle, triangle, and etc. And the second objective is formulate the mathematical model that represents the fluid flow behavior in open channel with the irregular cross-section quite well. The example of irregular cross-section is the abstract shape, like the river. Then, we have to know about the fluid flow first. In general, there is two types of fluid flow. The first one is steady gradual fluid flow. This fluid flow has velocity doesn't change over time, but gradually operate over distance. The second one is unsteady flow. This type of fluid flow has water velocity that varies over time and space. Steady gradual fluid flow usually considered with energy equation, and unsteady flow usually considered by Saint-Venant equation. In this research, we will consider about unsteady flow with Saint-Venant equation. What is the Saint-Venant equation? The Saint-Venant equations are commonly used to model transient open channel flow. There are two equations considered in this Saint-Venant equation, that is mass conservation and momentum balance. The equations are used extensively in computer models such as two-flow, Sobek, Heckras, and etc. because this equation is significantly easier to solve. The picture on the left side describes about the variables and the factors that considered in Saint-Venant equation. There is hydraulic radius, with its parameters, bed level, water depth, water surface, and cross-sectional area. We will discuss about these variables and this equation and also this topic on the first seminars. That's all about my introduction of my final topic project. I hope you can enjoy it. Thank you.